Hi everyone, this is Vincent from Vincent's Restaurant, and I'm working from home, and I hope that everybody stays safe. So we're going to do something very simple here with Chef, one of my sons here. Chef Nicolas is going to help me. So we're going to prepare something, a flourless chocolate cake. All right, so let's start. Flourless chocolate cake. We have semi-sweet chocolate with some butter. Mix that together. Then we have some egg yolks, egg whites here, and some sugar. So we have 5 ingredients. But before we start, we need to make sure that everything is ready. And what I'm doing here, what I just did, is I butter some 7-inch round tin pan here, and just butter. And we're gonna make 2, maybe 3, depending on how Chef Nicolas is gonna whip the egg whites. So let's go on the egg whites. We have 4 egg whites, 4 egg yolks, a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of butter, and some sugar. Here we go, let's go. Full blood. So you see the egg whites are getting a little firm here, and we're gonna put some sugar here. I'm going to put the egg yolks right here. Okay, Chef Nicolas, you can stop this. Let's give me the egg whites. All right. All right, look at this. Look at this. Okay, we're going to pour that. I think we'd be fine with, you know what, I think that we'll keep it at 2. Okay, now this is going to go in the oven, about 350 for about 15-20 minutes. So, finished product. One is flipped on the plate here, and very simple. Again, 5 ingredients: chocolate, butter, egg yolks, egg white, sugar. And it's wonderful with a little glass of champagne. Thank you for listening, for watching us. And the next one tomorrow, we're gonna show you how to make a soufflé, Grand Marnier soufflé.